With LED wall sconces, indoor environments can be drastically improved. However, lighting design mistakes are easy to make. Wall lighting placement is a crucial element of interior lighting design, but it is not the only factor to consider. Getting placement, style, and color temperature right is key for a well-lit room. Common mistakes can occur when using wall lighting, such as mounting your interior wall lights at the wrong height, which can cast ineffective illumination and create an unbalanced look in the space. This could also cause uncomfortable glare. To avoid this, place the LED wall lights around eye level, usually between 60 to 66 inches from the floor. This ensures optimal light for the space and makes it more functional. Spacing is another factor where errors are often made. If you place indoor wall lights too close or too far apart, you may cause uneven lighting, which aesthetically could clash. A good rule of thumb is to use precise measurements and space the sconces about 6 to 8 feet apart, adjusting for smaller rooms if necessary. Another mistake is neglecting the architecture of the space. Unique architectural elements such as alcoves, exposed brick, or columns are perfect for creative lighting solutions, and ignoring them means missing opportunities for accent lighting. To avoid this, highlight these features using modern wall lights. Fixtures like wall washing and uplighters are excellent for enhancing architectural details and adding visual interest. The angle of lighting also matters. Poor angles can cast unsightly shadows and provide inadequate illumination. Before installation, test the angle by holding the light where you plan to place it, ensuring it shines at a 30 to 45 degree angle for optimal results. This helps minimize glare while maximizing illumination. Improper light distribution can lead to a room being too bright or too full of shadows. Even distribution is essential. To achieve this, plan out your lighting design in advance by noting the room layout and determining where wall sconces should be placed for the desired light level. Larger rooms may need more fixtures to avoid uneven lighting. It's important not to overlook LED bulbs. LED lights are more efficient and longer lasting than traditional bulbs. Choosing traditional bulbs can lead to issues like incorrect color temperature or the need for frequent replacements. Start with LED bulbs for your modern wall sconces to save time and effort in the long run. Another common mistake is choosing fixtures of the wrong size. A light that is too large or too small can negatively impact both the look and function of a room. Avoid this by measuring the wall space and ensuring the light fixtures are proportional to the room. Smaller rooms will require smaller lights, while larger rooms can accommodate bigger fixtures. Overcrowding lights on a single wall can result in too much brightness and cluttered aesthetics. Instead, figure out how many lumens you need to light the space and place the lights strategically without overloading the area with unnecessary fixtures. Faulty installation is a serious issue, as poor wiring can lead to safety risks and non-functioning lights. Hiring a qualified electrician is the best way to ensure proper installation. They can help you avoid issues like short circuits or circuit overload. Choosing the wrong color temperature is another common error. The color temperature of lighting greatly affects the ambience of a room. For a cozy, welcoming atmosphere, select lights in the 2700 to 3000 Kelvin range, whereas brighter workspaces benefit from cooler colors between 3500 to 4000 Kelvin. Low-quality fixtures can detract from your design. It's worth investing in high-quality fixtures made from durable materials and with good IP ratings to ensure they last. A lack of layered lighting can also cause problems, as single-source lighting often leads to dark spots or areas that are too bright. To avoid this, use a combination of ambient, accent, and task lighting. This could include pendant lights, wall lights, and lamps to balance the illumination throughout the room. Another feature often forgotten is the dimmer switch. A dimmer switch allows for brightness adjustment throughout the day, helping you create different moods depending on the time or occasion. Finally, clashing styles are a common issue. Lights that do not match the decor or each other can create an unbalanced look. To avoid this, choose fixtures that complement your room's aesthetic, whether that's modern, transitional, urban, industrial, or traditional.